Hello friends, welcome to Bellneck Curiosity. In India, the snakes are worshipped during the holy month of Shravan. Snakes or cobras are also fed milk and it is prohibited to kill snake in that month. So let's look at the reason of why this tradition started and how currently this practice have actually become the reason for painful death of thousands of snakes. First of all, snakes are reptiles. They lay eggs. They are not mammals to drink milk. Milk cannot be digested by reptiles and they eventually die. So, why milk is offered if snakes don't drink it? Well, if this practice is started by our ancestors, then there must be some reason behind this. Let's look at it. In general, snake takes the place of ant's nest to stay and develop their family. In ancient times, humans' biggest threat were snakes. Due to dense forest, human presence and development were very limited. Gradually, snakes' population became more than that of humans. Because of these, deaths due to snake bite were increasing. People were afraid of snakes and they started migrating from place to place. So they decided to control its breeding rather than killing them. Snakes breeding is different from other reptiles. Female snake secretes a special odor or smell called pheromone. This pheromone attracts male snakes for mating. So humans decided to control their population by means of placing eggs and milk next to the snake's nest. After a certain number of days, the eggs and milk produce different set of odor which suppresses the female snake's odor. Because of this, it becomes difficult for the male snake to find the female one for mating. Humans started this practice religiously to continue this practice from generations, but now the scenario is completely different. Some of you may have seen a snake drinking milk in Nag Panchami. Well, they don't drink it, but they are made to. Let's see how. Nag Panchami is a festival celebrated all over India, where people worship snake god. During this festival, it is common sight to see snake charmers outside temples carrying snakes in baskets. Seeing a snake during this period is considered extremely auspicious, and people usually offer money to the charmer and milk to the snake. What most of us don't know is these snakes are caught by snake catchers from wild in perfectly healthy condition days before Nag Panchami and sold to the snake charmers after they remove their fangs and sometimes even cut off their venom sac. The mouth of the snake is invariably stitched to make it convenient for them to be carried around by the charmers. The absence of its venom apparatus and severe infection resulting from its injuries results in the snake being unable to eat or even drink water. Then they are closed in the round wooden basket for more than a month without water, which makes them weak and dehydrated. Thus, on the day of Nag Panchami, when people offer milk, it appears to drink very little due to extreme thirst and hunger. By the time Nag Panchami is over, the snake is extremely weak, severely infected, and snake charmer, after making money, just throws the snake away, thereby letting it die a very slow and painful death. So this is how, just because of some lack of awareness among people about the actual reason of keeping milk and egg near snake's nest in ancient times, let the snake charmers make money and kill the snake in a painful manner. At present, snakes are part of our ecosystem and food chain. They also play an important role in pest control for farmers. Cobras are protected under Wildlife Act 1972. The punishment may vary from 3-year imprisonment to a fine or both as per its different species. Liberating ourselves from misconceptions and conserving the snakes will be the absolute way of offering our worships to this beautiful yet misunderstood creature. So let's share this information as much as we can, and next time if you see someone offering milk to a snake captured by a snake charmer, then try to educate them. That's all in this video, but more interesting videos are coming up. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for regular updates.